So I was scrolling through YouTube looking for inspiration on what to make for dinner last night, and then I stumbled upon this Ghanaian peanut soup by Sweet Adjeleyi, and I decided to try it because it was quite simple. The recipe was so easy to follow, and I'll be showing you in this video. For this recipe, I'll be using cow leg and cow tongue, even though the recipe I saw they used chicken. I think I'll be using chicken in the next time I try this. So these are all the spices and seasoning used in the video, and the first thing was to boil the protein. So I added all the spices, anise seed, cumin, rosemary. I blended everything, ginger, garlic, and then I add some frozen herbs, which was a sweet coincidence because it was also used in the recipe I saw. So I added. In the recipe, they boiled the tomatoes separately, but I decided to just use one stone to kill two birds. So I boiled the tomatoes in the same pot because I didn't want to wash too many dishes afterwards. Tomatoes, onions, and then I'll go ahead and blend everything. The main ingredient, which is the peanut butter, I'll be using this one I got from the African store. So I was meant to use hot water, but I used warm water, so it didn't dissolve like I saw in the video. I later went ahead to just use the blender to run everything together. So my cow leg is ready. I added my pre-boiled cow tongue. Then I went in with my peanut butter blended, and then my blended tomato, ginger, habanero pepper. I sieved it because apparently the soup is meant to be as smooth as possible. So this is what it looks like, and then I just stirred everything together. I was told to allow it to boil for like 20 minutes. Since she added extra habanero pepper in the video, I decided to add some as well. I also seasoned with more seasoning cubes and salt, and I allowed it to boil. In the recipe I saw, she had some oil floating all over, but I think it's from the chicken. So maybe in my next recipe, I'll also be using chicken. So this is what it looks like. I was really patiently waiting for the oil to float on top of my soup as well, but it didn't happen. So I paired it with rice balls. They call it omuto, I think, and it was really nice actually. So over to you, my Ghanaian viewers. How did I do? Do you think I should try again?